Hello, I'm Dan Hilsman. In this video, I'll be discussing training at eXp Realty. Be sure to stay to the end of this short video for a valuable bonus. And be sure to share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In this training, we'll be talking about truths about eXp Realty training. Currently, we have 5 types of training with our group at eXp Realty. Training number 1, we have live training taught by some of the top producing agents at eXp Realty and also taught by coaches and trainers at eXp. This training is done live in our virtual cloud-based auditorium. Training number 2, Grant Cardone. You'll have full access to Grant Cardone sales training. You can 10x your business through Grant Cardone Sales Training Series Workplace Groups. Training number 3, my group has Zoom training, and in these trainings we have free coaching calls, leads to appointments, lead generation training, scripts, listing and buyer presentation training, accountability groups, listing leads, funnels, campaigns done for you. The system is set up for you. We just have continuous weekly training on how to best practices for those trainings. And we have our training where our ISA helps you and sets up appointments for you in your calendar within our group. Training number 4, we have in-person training. We have monthly training, we have weekly training, and we also have quarterly boot camp trainings. In the boot camp training, we go over listing presentation, buyer presentation, scripting, as well as Get Money Now training, and Mega Open House Series trainings. Training number 5, we have NAEA boot camp trainings. These are done twice a year, and these trainings are a full system on how to become a better agent, and with a great listing presentation, buyer presentation, as well as best practices for your real estate business. Some of this involves taking your business to the next level, as well as, if you want to, how to grow a team and how to become a great agent at the next level of whatever stage of real estate you're in now. Training number 6, an additional training that we have is a weekly call. It's a Q&A call with a gentleman that sold over 531 homes one year, one of his top coaches at his real estate company, and another gentleman who is currently running a team with over 40 agents in the Ohio area. This is a weekly call where we have access to ask these agents and coaches any question that you have to help you grow your real estate business. Also, I wanted to take a minute on this video and give you an example of our weekly training. So this is just some examples of some of the topics from the 80 hours of training. So in the eXp University, this week we have goal setting for agents. And we also have an icon series, and this is a series taught by top producing agents at eXp. So icon agents are agents that sell 30 to 40 plus homes. They're agents that pay in their entire cap, and they get their cap back by doing 20 transactions past their cap. So they're all on a pure 100% program where the company actually gives them stock awards for doing 20 deals past their cap, and the stock awards equals their cap amount. So within that series, we have just this week, Icon How to Hunt, Not Fish when Prospecting. Listings beget listings. What is your personal brand? Finding motivated sellers without cold calling. Winning by recognizing client types and behaviors. Listings gone wild, how to navigate with short supply. Airbnb for agents. Digital marketing mastermind. Social media training. Buying and selling real estate with crypto. Business opportunity referrals. Self-employed to running a real estate business. How to be a rock star on social media. eXp Commercial Explained. Advanced tips to grow your brand, 90-day action plan, Icon Mastermind, and Icon Conversations. And these are conversations with top agents around North America, being United States and Canada, discussing how they're selling so many homes right now in today's market. And for today's valuable bonus, message me and I'll get you a 30-day no cost, no obligation, free access pass into our 80 hours plus trainings per week. So message me at 678-907-1853 and I'll get with you and I'll get you a 30-day pass to our training, no cost, no obligation. Once again, I'm Dan Hilsman, and if you'd like to contact me, my contact information is listed below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. If you like this video and found value, please click the boxes above. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. And remember, Dan's Real Estate Solutions, real solutions for agents, buyers, and sellers. And oh yeah, today's video is from, this is a real background, and here at the beach at Panama City Beach, Florida. Give you a quick view. A cloudy, rainy day today, but it's not stopping some of the folks. All right, hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day.